just please listen to this car. Come on, Tom. 99,990 live pricing for this 21 Range Rover SVR. But just listen to it. It's worth every single 575 brake horsepower Range Rover SVR in the Santorini black, which is the metallic black, all blacked out with the black wheels, with 1,990 miles. Still got remainder of the manufacturer's warranty up until 2024. We are selling endless amount of these SVRs. We should be called the SVR specialists, because it's not a joke. And we do sell the best spec on them at the best price and the best condition. Now this is a new model car as you'd expect it to be within 2021. You've got the full LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights. They are adaptive headlights as well. Full black styling pack, which is the black badges, black grills, everything's black. I struggle to find anything chrome on this other than the nuts just down there. The big wheels, the 22s, it looks superb. Obviously it's an SVR, so you have the SVR front bumper, which is more aggressive right at the front with the bigger grills. Headlight washers, all this extension arch kit is all colour coded. Front rear parking sensors, and then you have the side sensors there, which is the park assist. The red brake calipers just behind there. It's just an amazing, amazing car. It's the power, it's the sound. We talk about all the time, we sell cars. When we're selling cars between us, we see, well, what's this and what's that? And I do have to say the SVR probably is one of the best cars you can buy. If you want a bit of power, you want practicality, style, looks, it's got everything. This particular one just looks like an absolute animal because it's all black. Just looks super stealth. Bonnet vents, side vents, all done in black. You've then got the black side steps down there. Another key feature, because if you look at the bottom of the side step, little things, a lot of them come with a silver finish, but when there's nothing silver on the car, this one's got black side steps with a black mirror finish on the bottom. Side skirts done in black, sun protection glass, high gloss black window surrounds, comfort access, but then look at that interior. An absolute dream. Imagine owning this vehicle, waking up every morning to jump in it, to go to work, to go out for the day, to the family out, or anything like that. There's no better feeling. You've done well in life, you deserve the best, and this is it. The ambient lighting, which is very flamboyant, and you can change all the colours, the Meridian sound system, and more ambient lighting down there, that lovely soft leather. Everything on this car is good quality, but for £100,000 it's what you'd expect, nothing less. Cubby holes everywhere, finished in the beautiful high gloss black. You've got heated seats obviously, and you've got ventilated seats. Rear climate control, then beautiful SVR seats with a hard back on the rear, and the back seats will also have that SVR styling to it all, with a bucket style seating. There's the very nice Alcantara inserts in the leather. Remember the perforated seats? And if you look at it, that's how new this car is. You've still got all the little stickers on it. Fully fitted matte front and rear, illuminated entry kick plates, LED style rear lighting system, LED rear indicators, and this one, front and rear, has a sweeping dynamic indicators. Not a reason why you would buy this car, but you have to agree, aesthetically, it just looks good. You want something that's good on the eye. Otherwise, you're just going to buy yourself a standard car with no extras whatsoever. From the rear, you've got the quad pipes there, make a lot of noise. They just sound great when just idling. But when you're driving and you're going through the gears, it makes a sound like no others. It's quite a distinctive sound. You know straight away that it's an SVR. The air breathers in the rear bumper, that's different to your standard HC Dynamic. The F1 style rear diffuser right at the bottom with the slats in, again, very detailed. So a lot of attention to detail goes on this car. Automatic tailgate, reversing camera system, and then you've got that humongous boot space that we keep talking about. Because remember, when you're buying a Range Rover, yes, it looks super cool, but if you are a family man or a woman, and you want to put kids stuff in there, a buggy in there, a bike, golf gear, suitcases, it caters for everything, and that's what you want. The cover that hides all the valuables. Press the button again, off you go. Beautiful is an understatement. It has a wow factor, it has panache. It just does everything. Lane hazard warning system there. Memory seats, electric folding mirrors, and electric mirror adjustments just up there. Again, illuminated entry kick plate, and you've also got the aluminium with the rubber studs on the foot pedals. All the adjustments for the seats, and because the car's doing 1,900 miles, it is brand fire new in every single way. Other extras, heads-up display. I talk about it all the time. This one's got it. Very nice. The speedo, navigation, Bluetooth details, and other sort of vehicle details that's useful is displayed in front of you. Heads-up display means that it reflects it all onto the windscreen, so you can see through it as you're driving. You're not having to look down or look away. It's all in front of you. That being said, the new digital dash here, you can see the navigation gets displayed on there. You can change the dials over, so you can have it in a sport setting. You configure it to your liking, no problem. The SVRs do come with a unique SVR steering wheel, which is split in two. The ivory and the black SVR labels down there. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. So normal cruise control is great. The adaptive cruise control means you can set 1, 2, 3 car length in front of you. As that car slows down, so will this one. As that car speeds up, so will this one. Paddle shift just behind, a bit different to the normal Range Rover Sport paddles, a bit more elongated and has a lovely metal finish to it. Automatic headlights and window wipers are there. And then you've got the most up-to-date media system. All your normal stuff, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, my personal favourite, ambient lighting. You've got it all. 2 keys, lots of cubbyhole space, cup holders, phone can slot in there nicely, and just underneath your iPad can go in there, and there is another USB charging port just below. The whole finish of the dashboard is piano black down here with that lovely brushed metal. It feels good. Another extra on this car is the fridge. Boop. Really cold, or turn it off. Nice little touch, it keeps everything cold. You've then got that Alcantara suede finish to the whole roof lining, and then, if you haven't noticed already, you've got that whole massive glass panoramic tilt and sliding roof. 99,990 gets you sound, gets you power, gets you quality, gets you a new car with 1,990 miles. Genuinely, we are selling them as they're coming in, they're going out. If you like what you see and you want to know more, you want to know what the finance packages are, or you want to know what your part exchange is worth, just give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.